Let's see if this records. So here's a funny thing I want to show you guys. Since the lake is partially frozen over, I got this little rock right here. It looks like it's still recording. I got this little rock right here. And I'm going to throw the rock onto the ice, and I want you to listen to the sound we get out of this. Alright, you guys ready? So, here's the rock. Small size rock, a little bit smaller than my hand. And here we go. Now, if you watch Star Wars, you're probably familiar with the sound, because it sounds like a battle in space. So let me take another rock and do the same thing again. Again, the rock, this is the size of my hand. Well, I guess this one was too heavy. Let's see if I can pick another rock out of here. Small one. And there we go. This should be a good size. I hope this thing picks it up, but let's pick up multiple rocks and see what happens. There we go. Oh man, tight. Alright, got 3 rocks. I don't know if you can see it, but that rock is still spinning, and it just stopped. Let me find some more rocks. Really small ones this time. And we're gonna see what happens. Very cool.